Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In our today's video, you're gonna see how to install the ERBA H560, which is a 5-part hematology analyzer. And after that, I will show you how to enter the quality control values and how to import the quality control values. As well as after that, we will see how to run the patient samples. Let's start my today's video. So guys, we have this one waste bag, and this is the X3 box. We will open and we'll see. And this is the packing list and QC certificate with manual as well. So let's open this. So basically, CBC analyzer is just, I'm saying always, it's just like a plug and play. Okay, so here what we have some sensors and tubings for diluent and for the waste. This is the grounding cable. This is Ethernet cable RJ45, which we can use it for the programming purpose, or for the if you want to burn some program inside the ICs, so we'll use this one. And this is power cable. That's it. Waste bag already I told you. So now I'm gonna connect these things with the analyzer. So guys, in this analyzer, 5-part hematology analyzer, we are using only 3 reagents: lyse 1, lyse 2 and diluent. Other one is the cleaner, so I'm not including that one as a reagent, that is, I'll say it's like a consumable. So before I will start, whenever you will get any brand new machine, we need to remove some clips that I'm going to show you now. Okay, let me show you here. So you will see this one. One is here and one is here. That I will show you. If you can see, yes, this one. Yes, this one remover, and that's it. Now probe goes up and down like this. Only these two. If you will open it from your left side, so you will see here lyse 1 and lyse 2, and which we are going to connect here. Okay, so let's do it. So guys, you can see lyse 2, blue cap, lyse 1, green cap. So there is no confusion. Okay, so we will open this one and we will connect here. It will be sealed, of course, definitely. Okay, same as sealed, and all the reagents are with RF card here. Same as if I'll show you this diluent, and if I will break this one, so this is some instructions, and I'm going to open this. Okay, and you can see here, see, this is the RF card for the diluent. So once I will start uploading the reagents, then I will show you how to load the reagents by using this RF card. So guys, I don't want this diluent here, same as this waste bag. I don't want here. It should be downside. This lab is new lab, so still renovation is going on. That's why you can see still not completed. So they will make some holes here so that we will keep everything downside. But temporarily, just to show you all the installation, I will keep it here. I will connect everything and then we will run the quality control. Okay guys, now I'm going to show you how to replace the reagent. So first, click on reagent management. So here you will see the reagent management. I'll click here. Here it will show you all these three reagents, diluent, lys1, lys2. If you want to replace the reagent, click on that particular reagent. For example, I want to replace lys1, I'll click here. I want to replace diluent, I'll click here, and then I will click on setup. In case if I will not select any reagent and I'll just press the button setup, so directly it will go to the first reagent, which is diluent. Suppose I want to replace the lys1, but I'll click on setup without clicking on any reagent. I'll click setup. So you can see it is saying place the RF card on the card reader here, and it is showing you here the diluent, right? But actually in my hand it is lys1. So that's why always click on that particular reagent and then present your card here. So because I don't want to use this card, so it will take 30 seconds. After that I can cancel it. Again I will show you. Now it's gonna over like this. Let me cancel. So now suppose in my hand if I have lys2 card, so I'll click here lys2, then I'll say setup, and then I will present this card here. Then it will say it is successfully uploaded. So this is the way how to upload the reagents. So guys, now machine is ready and we are going to start the quality control. Now I'm going to teach you how to enter the quality control values and how to upload the values of QC. So in my hand I have the value sheet. In this machine you can load the value in two ways. You can load manually one by one, or you can use the file to upload it. So come on, let me show you here. Like suppose this is your main screen and click on QC. Otherwise in your main screen you can also click on QC. Click on QC settings and then new. So here you can add all the values. Suppose lot number. So let me add the lot number. This is from the paper. This is DH2209. Because it is low level, so I'll say L. Level is low. And expiry, I'll say it will expire on 10th of November. Click OK. And here if you want to add the QC sample ID, you can add, otherwise no need. And here WBC, click on WBC. So here it is 3.60, so I will enter 3.60, and the limit is this one, 0.5. So in this way you will enter all the values. This is the one way. Other way is, let me close this. Same way, click on new, click on import files, and now it will get the values from the USB drive, and here it is, the low value. Click OK. So you can see it's automatically saved. Click on save. Done. Now I will add in same way. I'm going to enter the value of next level, which is, I'll say this one. It's already done. I'll go for a new one. I'll say the lot number. Instead of lot number, now I'm not going to enter anything. I will just click on import. Now normal. So you can see guys, it's already entered by itself. Save. Next. Again new, import file, and here high values. Okay, values are there, and save. So in this way I just enter all the values in few clicks. So now I will explain you how to run the quality control. So in my hand I have 3 levels quality control: low, normal, and high. So before running, don't forget to mix well. Okay. So to run this one, I will show you how to run this one. So in the same option you have here QC analysis. I will show you. This is QC analysis. Just click here on QC analysis. Here you have file number. File number 1 which we entered for low level, file number 2 for normal, file number 3 for high level. So I want to run the low level, so I will select level 1. Mix very well. It's already mixed, so I'm not going to mix anymore, and I will run. That's it. So this is the way how to run the quality control. So after that, I will explain you how to run the patient samples if all the quality controls are within the acceptable range. So guys, if you like my today's video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you again with another video. Till that time, bye bye.